Clinical Research Codex Daily Brief June 10, 2026. Today's highlights: the IDMC interim analysis triggered early termination on futility grounds. FDA adds Bemotrizinol as first new OTC sunscreen ingredient in 20 years under Streamlined CARES Act process. The decision to stop a clinical trial early is one of the most difficult and important in clinical research. Stuart J. Pocock. On June 10, 2026, Sanofi announced it had terminated one of two Phase 3 clinical trials of Riliprubart, an antibody targeting C1s in the classical complement pathway in patients with chronic inflammatory demyelinating polyneuropathy, CIDP, after the discordance between Phase 2 and Phase 3 results in the immunoglobulin/corticosteroid refractory CIDP population raises important questions about patient selection, placebo response rate inflation in Phase 2, and the difficulty of translating open-label Phase 2 signals to double-blind Phase 3 outcomes. On June 9, 2026, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration finalized an order adding Bemotrizinol to the OTC sunscreen monograph as a permitted active ingredient. Bemotrizinol is the first new OTC sunscreen ingredient finalized under the CARES Act administrative order process, demonstrating the pathway's feasibility for rapidly adding GRACE qualified ingredients to existing monographs. The 7-month timeline from proposed to final order sets a precedent for the speed achievable under the reformed OTC monograph process, faster than traditional rulemaking but still subject to public comment. Regulatory scientists and sponsors with OTC monograph ingredients in the pipeline should review this action as a model for structuring OTC monograph order requests under the CARES Act framework. References. Subscribe to learn more.